So a lot of our Bowen moves that we do in the body actually work on spirals within the body. So to give you an example, one of the ways of working with the arm is working also in spirals down the arm. So for example, in this case, Toby has an issue with his right arm here. So one of the Bowen procedures that we use addresses these types of moves over the mid-deltoid there, like so. A spiral move again over the muscles that go down into the hand here. And just above the medial epicondyle. And then one of the procedures here, we actually put a little bit of pressure on the nerves that go down into the hand. So as we do that, he might feel some tingling into his hand. Do you feel anything like that, Toby? There? Okay. So a lot of these moves are in a similar direction over, down the arm. And again, we tend to encourage more space in the joints, so moves like this where we're opening out the wrist, which can feel really comforting. And then the kind of moves where we're doing something a little bit more sudden. So in this case, I'm just putting a little bit of an extension here and opening up the wrist and the elbow and the shoulder. Again, those activate slightly different kind of receptors in those muscles. And there are other types of moves where we're opening out. So in the case of the forearm, but this is particularly true with carpal tunnel syndrome, where we want to create more space in this whole area here, particularly around the wrist, where we do opening type moves. We do these also, for example, in the leg, and particularly around the calf muscles, where we're just separating out the tissues, creating more space in the fascia to allow better fluid, nerve, and blood supply. So here as I come down, we're working into the carpal tunnel area where basically the nerve, the median nerve particularly, which goes to the thumb and the index finger, can get quite compressed. So I'm just opening that out into the hand and creating a little bit more space here as it comes into the hand. And this can be very, very effective for things like tennis elbow and for carpal tunnel syndrome.
If you liked this video and you want to see more, make sure to subscribe below and don't forget to hit the notification button.